Hotel pool rules.
Excuse me, is the hotel pool open now?
Yes, it is open now. You can use it until 8 this evening.
Great. I would like to swim for a little while.
Of course. May I see your room card first?
Sure. Here it is. I am staying in room 101.
Thank you. You are all set. Please take one blue towel from this desk.
Thanks. Are there any important pool rules?
Yes. Please shower before you enter the pool and please do not run near the water.
That makes sense. The floor looks a little wet.
It can be slippery, so walk slowly. Also, no glass bottles are allowed here.
Can I bring a plastic water bottle?
Yes, plastic bottles are fine. You can keep it on the small table near your chair.
Is the deep side over there?
Yes, the deep side is on the left. The shallow side is on the right.
I am not a very strong swimmer, so I will stay on the right.
That is a good idea. There is also a lifeguard by the door.
Do I need a swimming cap?
It is not necessary, but long hair must be tied back.
Okay. Are the lockers free to use?
Yes, choose any empty locker and keep the key on your wrist.
Perfect. What happens if I lose the locker key?
Please come to this desk right away. We will help you.
Thank you for explaining everything.
You're welcome. Enjoy your swim.
Weekend family visit.
You look busy, Tom. Are you making a list?
Yes, I am visiting my parents this weekend, and I do not want to forget anything.
That sounds nice. When are you going?
On Saturday morning, my train leaves at 9:30.
Do you have your ticket already?
Yes, I bought it online last night. I also printed a copy.
Good. What are you taking with you?
Just a small bag, a jacket, my phone charger, and some cookies for my family.
Cookies are a nice gift. Did your mother ask you to bring anything?
She asked me to bring some photos from my trip.
Oh, that will be fun. Families love looking at photos.
I know. My father always asks many questions about every picture.
That is sweet. How long will you stay?
Only one night. I have to come back on Sunday evening.
That is short, but it is still good family time.
Yes. We will have dinner together and maybe walk in this park.
What will you eat for dinner?
My mother said she is making chicken, rice, and salad.
That sounds delicious. Are you excited?
Very excited. I have not seen them for a month.
Then you should call them before you leave.
Good idea. I will call tonight and tell them my arrival time.
Will someone meet you at the station?
Yes, my brother will come by car if he is free.
That will make the trip easier.
Yes, especially because I will arrive with my bag and food.
Do not forget your charger. You always forget it.
True. I will put it in my bag now.
Smart. Have a wonderful visit with your family.
Thank you, Emma. I will show you the photos next week.
Museum map.
Excuse me, I just bought a ticket. Could I have a museum map, please?
Certainly. Here is a free map of the museum.
Thank you. This is my first time here, so I may need some help.
Do not worry. The main hall is here, and the art rooms are on the second floor.
I want to see the ancient history room first. Where is it?
It is on the first floor, just past the big stairs.
Is it the room with the old coins and small statues?
Yes, exactly. You will see a sign that says Ancient History.
Great. How long does it usually take to see that room?
About 30 minutes if you walk slowly and read the short notes.
I also want to visit the modern art room.
Then you can go upstairs after that. The elevator is beside the gift shop.
Is there an audio guide for beginners in English?
Yes, we have a simple English audio guide. It is $3.
That sounds useful. I will take one, please.
It has clear speech and short explanations, so it is good for English learners.
That is perfect. I want to practice listening while I learn about the museum.
Here you go. Press number 1 when you enter the first room.
Thank you. Is photography allowed inside?
Photos are allowed, but please do not use flash.
Okay. Where are the restrooms?
They are near the cafe at the back of this floor.
And what time does the museum close today?
We close at 6, but the last entry to the special room is at 5:15.
Then I should start now.
Yes, that is best. Enjoy your visit.
Thank you for your help.
You're welcome.
Bike repair shop.
Good afternoon. What seems to be the problem with your bike?
Hi, the front tire is flat and the brake feels weak.
I see. Did the tire become flat today?
Yes, I was riding to work and it suddenly felt soft.
Let me take a quick look. There may be a small hole in the tube.
Can it be fixed or do I need a new tire?
The tire looks fine. You probably only need a new tube.
That is good news. How much will it cost?
A new tube and repair work will be $18.
That sounds okay. What about the brake?
The brake cable is loose. I can tighten it for you.
Is that included in the price?
I can include a quick brake check, but a new cable would cost more.
Please check it first. I want the bike to be safe.
Of course, safety is very important, especially in traffic.
How long will the repair take?
About 40 minutes. You can wait here or come back later.
I will come back later. I need to buy something nearby.
Please do not ride the bike before the repair. The brake is not safe right now.
I understand. I will walk and leave the bike here.
Exactly. I will write your name on this repair tag.
My name is Tom.
Thank you, Tom. Here is your copy of the tag.
Should I pay now or after the repair?
After the repair is fine. You can pay when you pick up the bike.
Great. I will return in about an hour.
Perfect. Your bike should be ready by then.
Asking about a job.
Hello. I saw the job sign in the window.
Hello. Yes, we are looking for a part-time assistant.
I am interested. Could I ask a few questions about the job?
Of course. The job is 3 days a week, usually in the afternoon.
What kind of work would I do?
You would help customers, put items on shelves, and keep the front desk clean.
That sounds clear. Do I need previous experience?
Experience is helpful, but it is not necessary. We can train you.
That is good. I worked in a small store last summer.
Nice. Did you use a cash register there?
A little. I can take simple payments, but I may need practice.
That is fine. We start slowly with new workers.
What time does the afternoon shift begin?
It usually starts at 2 and ends at 7.
I have classes in the morning, so that time works for me.
That is helpful to know. We try to choose shifts that fit school schedules.
Thank you. I can be on time after class.
Good. Are you available on Saturdays?
Yes, I can work on Saturdays, but not every Sunday.
That should be okay. We need help mostly on Fridays and Saturdays.
How can I apply?
Please fill out this short form and bring your resume tomorrow.
Can I send the resume by email instead?
Yes, the email address is written at the bottom of the form.
Thank you. When will you contact applicants?
We will call people next week for short interviews.
Great. I will complete the form today.
Thank you for coming in. Good luck.
Gym reception.
Welcome to Active Gym. Are you here for a class or a membership question?
I would like to ask about joining the gym.
Sure. Are you looking for a monthly plan or a day pass?
I am not sure yet. This is my first time here.
Then a day pass might be a good start. It lets you try the gym today.
How much is a day pass?
It is $10. You can use the machines, showers, and lockers.
Do I need to bring my own towel?
You can bring one, or you can rent a towel for $1.
Okay. Are there beginner classes?
Yes. We have a beginner fitness class at 6 this evening.
Is it too hard for someone new?
No, the coach explains everything slowly and gives easy options.
That sounds good. Do I need special shoes?
Clean sports shoes are enough. Please do not wear outdoor boots in the exercise room.
I understand. Where are the changing rooms?
They are down the hallway on the right.
Can I see the gym before I pay?
Yes, I can show you the main area from here.
It looks clean and not too crowded.
It is usually quiet before 5. After work, it becomes busier.
I think I will buy the day pass today.
Good choice. After today, you can decide if the monthly plan is right for you.
That sounds fair. I want to try the machines first.
Great. Please write your name here and sign the safety form.
Done. Can I pay by card?
Yes, card is fine. Enjoy your workout.
Farmer's market.
These tomatoes look fresh. Are they from your farm?
Yes, they are. We picked them early this morning.
Nice. How much are they?
They are $3 for one basket.
I will take one basket, please.
Of course. Would you like the red tomatoes or the yellow ones?
The red ones, please. They look good for salad.
They are great for salad. They are sweet and soft.
Do you also have cucumbers?
Yes, the cucumbers are here on the left.
How much are 2 cucumbers?
2 cucumbers are $1.50.
That is fine. I will take 2.
Anything else today?
Maybe some apples. Which apples are sweet?
You can smell them if you like. Fresh apples usually have a light sweet smell.
That is useful. I did not know that.
Many customers ask the same thing at the market. These green apples are a little sour, but the red apples are sweeter.
I prefer sweet apples. I will take 4 red apples.
Good choice. They are very popular today.
Do you accept card payments?
Yes, but cash is faster because the card machine is slow.
I have cash. How much is everything?
1 basket of tomatoes, 2 cucumbers, and 4 apples. That is $7.
Here is 10.
Thank you. Here is $3 back.
Could I have a small bag?
Sure. Please hold the bottom because the tomatoes are soft.
Thanks for the tip.
You're welcome. Enjoy your fresh vegetables and fruit.
Lost glasses.
Hi, Tom. Why are you looking under the bench?
I lost my glasses. I think I had them here 10 minutes ago.
Oh, no. Were you reading on this bench?
Yes. I was reading my notes, and then I stood up to answer my phone.
Maybe you put them in your bag?
I checked my bag twice. They are not there.
What color are they?
They are black with the small silver line on the side.
Okay, let's look slowly. Did you walk to the water fountain?
Yes, I walked there for a drink.
Then they might be near the fountain or on the grass.
I hope they are not broken.
Do not worry yet. We will find them.
Thanks for helping me. I cannot see small things clearly without them.
I understand. Wait, what is that near the tree?
Where?
On the small wall next to the green bag.
Oh, I see something black. Let me check.
Be careful. Do not step on them.
These are my glasses. I must have put them there when I opened my bag.
I'm glad we checked near the tree before walking away.
Me too. I was almost ready to go home without them.
Good. Are they okay?
Yes, they are fine. The glass is not scratched.
That is lucky. Maybe you should use a case next time.
You are right. I usually forget the case at home.
Put them on now before you lose them again.
Good idea. Thank you, Emma.
Anytime, Tom.
Coffee machine at work.
Emma, do you know why the coffee machine is making this sound?
Let me listen. It sounds like the water tank is empty.
I thought there was water inside.
Sometimes the tank is not pushed in all the way.
Oh, I see. Should I pull it out?
Yes, but do it slowly. There may be a little water at the bottom.
Okay, the tank is almost empty.
That explains the sound. Fill it to this line, not above it.
Got it. Where is the clean water?
The water bottle is under the counter.
Thanks. Should I turn off the machine first?
Yes, that is safer. Press the small power button.
Done. I will fill the tank now.
Great. Also check the coffee pod holder.
There is an old pot inside.
Then remove it and put it in the bin.
No wonder the coffee tasted strange yesterday.
That can happen when people forget to clean it.
Now the tank is full and the old pot is gone.
Perfect. Turn it on again and wait for the green light.
The light is green now. Can I make coffee?
Yes. Put a new pod in and place your cup under the spout.
It is working. The sound is normal now.
Great. Wait until the coffee stops completely before you move the cup.
Good point. I do not want coffee on the counter.
Good. You fixed it.
With your help. Do you want coffee too?
Yes, please. I will take one after yours.
Exam paper instructions.
Please sit here, Tom. The exam will begin in 5 minutes.
Thank you. I'm a little nervous.
That is normal. I will explain the instructions before you start.
Okay, should I put my phone away?
Yes, please turn it off and put it inside your bag.
Done. Can I keep my pencil and eraser on the desk?
Yes. You may use 2 pencils, 1 eraser, and a bottle of water.
Do I need to write my name now?
Yes. Write your full name at the top of the first page.
Should I write the date too?
Yes, write today's date under your name.
How many pages are there?
There are 4 pages. Please check that you have all of them.
I have 4 pages. The last page has a short reading text.
Correct. The first part is vocabulary, the second part is grammar, and the last part is reading.
How much time do we have?
Also, please write clearly. If an answer is difficult to read, it may be marked wrong.
I will write slowly and neatly.
Good. Clean handwriting can help the examiner understand your answers.
How much time do we have?
You have 45 minutes.
Can I ask a question during the exam?
You can ask about instructions, but I cannot explain answers.
I understand. Should I answer in pen or pencil?
Pencil is better because you can erase mistakes.
That makes me feel better.
Read each question carefully and do not hurry.
Thank you for the advice.
You're welcome. The exam starts now. Good luck.
Thank you. I will do my best.
If this video helped you, please hit the like button. It really helps the channel grow. For more slow and easy English videos, subscribe to the Learn English with Daniel channel and turn on notifications. I'll be back soon with a new story.